Peace. What's going on? This is Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. And earlier, I just taught you how to say how are things going in Shona, but the slang version of how are things going. So I'm going to teach you the more regular, the more without the slang, the more regular way of saying or asking, how are things going? You would say, or you would ask, Zvinhu zviri kufamba sei? Zvinhu zviri kufamba sei? So that's how are things going. And there's so many ways you can ask a person how things are going, right? You can say, how are things? How are things going? How are you doing? How's the family? How's everyone doing? So I did a very direct and literal translation. How are things going? Zvinhu zviri kufamba sei? Or you can say zvinhu zviri kufamba here, which here would be the question. Zvinhu zviri kufamba here, or zvinhu zviri kufamba sei? Sei is like saying is how. So depending on how you say it, I know I probably just say two different expressions right there. But if you're asking a question, I would say zvinhu zviri kufamba here. Zvinhu zviri kufamba here. I think that's the more direct way of asking. Are things going all right? How are things going? Zvinhu zviri kufamba here. And this is ZK, Zimbabwe Kid, saying peace. Rugare.